For both off-road and on-road survival and enjoyment, a Land Rover Defender is an adventurer's preferred vehicle. Owning and driving a Defender is joining a lifestyle, a club for those that want ruggedness and versatility with style and class. Our Defenders achieve all of that. Hi, I'm Don Laviano from Black Horse Garage in Bridgeport, Connecticut, and I am thrilled today to show you this 1995 Land Rover Defender 90 from the mastermind at Brooklyn Coachworks. This Defender 90 is a 2023 build and fully restored vehicle right down to every nut and bolt on the chassis. The work was performed by Daniel Marcello of Brooklyn Coachworks in Brooklyn, New York. He is not only a Defender expert in the shop, but he is also an enthusiast who lives the lifestyle by driving these vehicles on adventures over the toughest terrains and off-road environments. The Defender 90 was stripped down to the chassis, body panels taken apart, sandblasted and painted in a rust-preventative beluga black. The color is sleek, ominous, and tough. The work that was completed on this 1995 Defender 90 to make it feel like a new car is extensive. The 300 TDI motor was rebuilt and a new radiator, intercooler, and exhaust system were installed. It comes with a new 4-speed automatic transmission with rebuilt LT230 transfer case. New radius arms, trailing arms, bushing, springs, shocks, and galvanized hardware was also used. Just take a look at these wheels and tires. All obstacles will be attackable with these Land Rover military Wolf steel wheels with BF Goodrich KM3 tires. It has full disc brakes with copper brake lines. Inside, the black theme continues with black vinyl seats, rear jump seats, cubby box, and a dash. There's new carpets and an Alcantara headliner that were also installed. It comes with AC and heat. This Defender has all the modern technology you would expect in a car these days. It has a 10-inch Sony touchscreen CarPlay stereo unit and 4 Pioneer speakers, USB ports, and a 12-volt port. All right, driving this Defender 90 is a real joy. I mean, first of all, inside, it feels like I'm in a Darth Vader ship with all the black. It does have this really cool wooden steering wheel on it, which is a good size, and it just feels nice, and these always look sharp in here. You got the touchscreen that we talked about, and what a fun car to drive. I wish I was taking it off-road right now. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Black Horse Garage YouTube channel, and you can see more cool cars that we reviewed and drove. If you want to make an appointment to see this 1995 Land Rover Defender 90 in person, please send an email to sales@blackhorsegarage.com, or you can call or text 203-947-5293.